Greetings to the mission office. I chose the first question. This question reminds me of the final project of an econometric course where I was asked to apply the statistical models and computing methods to mimic the financial world and solve the problems. It is a very challenging task for me because it was the first time I conducted research by myself. I intended to research on the macroeconomic impact on the bound default rate. After collecting the data with variables such as GDP, credit, unemployment rate, and M2 growth rate, I applied the HB filter method on the macro variables to eliminate the trend term and keep the long-run cyclical terms by using R. To mitigate the multi-collinearity, I taught myself the PCA method to synthesize the multiple financial fluctuations into 3 financial cycle indicators. After that, I constructed the logistic regression models, ran tests for significance for each coefficient, and also tested the robustness and heteroscedasticity. In addition to the modeling, I also designed the data visualization dashboards for the response variables, using various types of plotting such as quadratic and logarithmic for potential improvement. The final model achieved the result with 86% accuracy, which is very good. This study also verified my initial hypothesis that the bound default risk of a firm increased significantly when it was at the top of the financial cycle. Through this research process, I encountered a lot of difficulties, and I read a lot of references, talked to my course instructors, and also taught myself the knowledge about the programming and statistics to solve the problems step by step. Through this research, I became more adept at R language, data visualization, and modeling skills. I started to appreciate how rigorous the quantitative finance could be, and I also appreciated that quantitative methods could provide the most effective and straightforward solutions to the financial problems. It was an entire problem-solving process that required independent thinking that I truly enjoyed. As for my future career, I intended to become an investment analyst in the future. Investment analysts need to study the risk of the stocks and bonds, and they also need to control the risk of the portfolio they construct. The bound default rate is one of the main sources of the bound risks, which is what this project is about. So this project is a foundation for my future career. In addition to this, my undergraduate graduation thesis will further study the bound default rates and analyze the factors that influence the default rates from company financial statements, company organization frameworks, and macroeconomic perspectives. I believe all these experiences will help me in my future career. Thanks.